For Weston homeowners, safety and comfort go hand in hand. Whether you live in one of the town's charming historic properties or a more modern home, protecting your family and belongings is always a top priority. While many homeowners focus on alarm systems, cameras, or smart technology to improve security, one critical feature is often overlooked: the front door itself. A secure home begins with a well-built and properly installed door. Even the strongest, highest quality door can't deliver full protection if it isn't installed correctly. That's why more Weston homeowners rely on professional door installation to ensure their homes stay safe, secure, and well protected. Here's how expert installation plays a major role in strengthening your home security. Proper fit and alignment prevent forced entry. One of the biggest advantages of professional installation is ensuring the door fits perfectly within its frame. A poorly aligned door leaves small gaps that intruders can exploit using prying tools or brute force. Professional installers take precise measurements and ensure the door sits securely within the frame. Hinges are properly aligned for maximum strength. The deadbolt meets the strike plate perfectly. No gaps exist that compromise the lock or frame. This tight, secure fit drastically reduces entry points and makes it far more difficult for anyone to break in. Stronger frames and reinforced hardware. Even a strong door can be vulnerable if the frame is weak or poorly secured. Professional installers reinforce the entire doorway, not just the door panel itself. They know how to properly install heavy-duty door frames, reinforced strike plates, upgraded hinges with security screws, metal or composite thresholds. In Weston, where weather and seasonal temperature changes can weaken older wood frames, reinforcement is especially important. A solid, professionally installed frame provides the backbone your home needs for dependable protection. Correct installation ensures locks work at full strength. Locks are only effective when they line up perfectly with the door and frame. A door that shifts, sags, or isn't leveled properly weakens your locking system and may even make it easier for intruders to force open. Professional installers ensure deadbolts extend fully into the strike plate. Multi-point locking systems engage exactly as designed. Smart locks, keypad locks, and high security hardware are installed correctly. The door closes smoothly and locks without resistance. When locks operate as they're meant to, your home stays far more secure. No weak spots from DIY mistakes. While DIY door installation may seem appealing, even small errors can create major security risks. Common DIY mistakes include leaving small gaps around the door, using short screws that don't anchor hardware properly, incorrectly installing the hinges, not reinforcing the strike plate, failing to seal the frame against weather and warping. Professional installers avoid these problems by using proper tools, techniques, and materials that maintain the door's full structural strength. This attention to detail gives Weston homeowners peace of mind knowing their door is secure from day one. Enhanced security with modern door materials. Professionally installed modern doors offer far more security than older wooden doors that may warp, crack, or weaken over time. New materials like fiberglass, steel, and engineered composites resist force, impact, and weather damage far better than traditional materials. A professional installer understands the unique benefits of each type of door and ensures the chosen style is mounted and sealed to maximize its built-in strength. Added protection against Weston's seasonal weather. Weston's climate includes cold winters, humid summers, and frequent seasonal shifts. Weather changes can cause unprofessionally installed doors to warp or shift, weakening your home's security. Professional installation ensures proper sealing against moisture and drafts, a stable fit even as temperatures fluctuate, long-lasting structural integrity. This means your security doesn't weaken over time. Final thoughts: home security starts with your home's first line of defense, the door. For Weston homeowners committed to safety, professional door installation provides the structural strength, proper alignment, and reinforced hardware needed to protect your household. It eliminates weak points, maximizes the performance of high-security materials, and ensures your door operates exactly as intended, not just on day one, but for years to come.